This is a bonfire, and the fireworks gonna go off. How do you zoom in on this thing? Bloody camera. Dad, if this light goes loose and flies towards me. Have you lit it yet?
Oh yeah, I mean we're upstairs.
You haven't lit it. The firework is still to be lit. It is the bonfire. What do you think, Mum? The bonfire is like going nicely, as you can see. Oh, mud! Neil would not be happy. It is far too close to the fence. Neil, of course, is Helen's firefighter boyfriend. Would not be happy with this. We haven't got a Guy Fawkes either. Dad attempts now to light a bonfire, a fire.
Oh.
Okay, 1 minute and 32 seconds in. Dad attempts to light the fire. Be careful, Dad. Here we go.
Come back.
Oh shit. Mum. Oh shit.
I hate it when they come up my way.